I'm going to try and avoid getting evicted from my sober living house. Receiving an eviction letter in a sober living environment can be incredibly stressful and overwhelming. It's a critical issue for residents because it directly impacts their recovery journey and stability. For many, sober living is more than just a place to live, it's a supportive community that's crucial for maintaining sobriety. There are several common reasons why someone might receive an eviction letter in a sober living environment. One of the most prevalent reasons is relapse. Many sober living facilities have zero-tolerance policies for substance use, and relapsing can lead to immediate eviction. Another reason is violating the rules of the house, which can include things like having guests overnight, not contributing to household chores, or not attending required meetings. Non-payment of rent or fees is also a common reason for eviction. Some residents might struggle with financial management, leading to missed payments. Lastly, disruptive behavior or causing a disturbance can also lead to eviction. The emotional impact of receiving an eviction letter can be intense. Residents might feel anxious, scared, or even ashamed. Practically, it's essential to act quickly and understand the next steps. The first step is to review the eviction letter carefully and understand the reasons for the eviction. Residents should also reach out to the house management to discuss possible solutions or alternatives. It's also crucial to seek support from friends, family, or a therapist to cope with the emotional stress. Additionally, residents should start looking for alternative housing options, if necessary. Upon receiving an eviction notice, residents must make critical decisions and take immediate actions. Seeking help from a recovery advisor or a lawyer who specializes in tenant rights can be incredibly beneficial. Understanding their rights as tenants can help residents navigate the situation more effectively. Residents should also take this opportunity to reflect on their actions and consider seeking additional support for their recovery. It's a challenging time, but making informed decisions can lead to a more positive outcome. Residents should also document everything, including communication with house management and any efforts to resolve the issue. If you're facing eviction in a sober living environment, remember that you're not alone. The key takeaways are to act quickly, seek help, and understand your rights. Don't be afraid to reach out to your support network or professional advisors. There are resources available to help you through this difficult time. Keep in mind that this too shall pass, and with the right support, you can get back on track. If you've dealt with a similar situation, share your experiences in the comments below. It could help someone who's going through the same thing. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on recovery and related topics. If you're interested in learning more about sober living and recovery, check out our video on tips for success in sober living for more insights.